Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the thinking model in your conversations and chats on Gemini AI. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to your account on Gemini AI and start a new chat by clicking into this button in the top left. But before you enter your request or prompt here, you may click into the drop-down menu to select one of these thinking models like Fast, Thinking and Pro, all of them associated with Gemini 3. And you can do this for the given reply. But you can do this also within a conversation. So when you're within a conversation or chat here, simply use that communication panel at the bottom and switch between the Fast Thinking and Pro or Advanced Thinking model here. And depending on your request. For example, the normal thinking is for complex problem solving. The fast one is for quick answers, and the pro one is for advanced math and coding requests, for instance. So you can use these depending on your projects or requests. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.